Hello YouTube, this is John. This video I'm going to quickly show you how to enable USB boot options. In my case, I'm in the boot menu, but I don't have the options to boot from USB on the HP laptop. As you can see here, I have this issue that I can't go to boot the USB drive. So I'm going to start the process and then I'm going to show you how I will enable the process. I'm going to long press my button to switch the computer off, but you can also click Ctrl Alt Delete. So I'm going to power it on and click F10 so that we go to the BIOS system. So when you go to the BIOS system, this is what we get. So if I come closer, sorry about that, let me get my camera up a little bit. So when you reach here, I want you to go to configurations, this part here, and then when you go to configuration, system configuration, you'll see boot down here at boot options. Then you click enter. This will display very many other options to select from, but I want you to focus on legacy support, and this is it disabled, and I want you to enable it. Then click enable, then click enter. Then after here, you're going to just go ahead and click F10 to save changes, and then the computer is going to reboot, but we are going to click F9 to go to the boot menu. So in our boot menu, we happen to have the USB bootable there right now. I'm going to go ahead and click the down one, then to ask me to click any key, as you can see here. Then after clicking any key, the Windows will start loading, and then here I will just have to wait for it to load Windows from the USB drive, and this will take a few seconds. So this is how you enable USB boot options on your HP laptops. In your case, if you're in secure boot, I'm going to show you in my next video on how to fix some other errors on your HP laptops. So I want you to subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified if I upload useful videos like this. So right now I'm going to stop from here. I was just showing you a quick video on how to enable USB boot options on your HP laptops, and this would work on other laptops. In my case here, it works, and I'm going to go ahead and continue with the Windows process, and this would work on other operating systems if you want to boot them. So thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.